receta. Recipe. Ingredients. Number 1, chicken breasts. Number 2, lemon, 2 units. Number 3, honey. Number 4, olive oil. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C. Squeeze the lemon and mix the ice with the honey in a bowl. Place the chicken breasts on a baking tray previously greased with olive oil. Pour the lemon honey mixture over the breads, making sure to cover the completely. Bake for about 3 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through, making sure to turn it adjusted it weight the liquid several times during cooking to keep it dry. Mi rutina diaria, my daily routine. I wake up 7 a.m. At 8 a.m. I take a shower. Then at 9 a.m. I eat my breakfast. At 10 a.m. I help with household chores. At 1 p.m. I do my university work. At 7 p.m. I eat my dinner. And 9 p.m. I sleep. Fernando Botero biography. While he was living in New York in the 1960s, he found a new inspiration in the Italian Renaissance. He began to experiment with creating volume in his figure by expanding them and compressing the space around them. This became his unique and trademark style. In 1997, Colombian terrorists destroyed his sculpture built in Medellin. 17 people passed away in the attack. Botero grew up looking at paintings in his local Catholic church. These were in the centuries old Baroque style and influenced his style. He was never rich enough to visit galleries and see other works. He had his first exhibition when he was 20 in the capital Bogota. He used the money received to go to Europa to study art. Botero works now has in galleries. Botero's work now hang in galleries all over the world. He warrants millions of dollars for each painting he does. His work installed become collector's items, and many people buy them as investment. In 2005, Botero painted a series of 50 paintings that graphically showed the terror of the events in Iraq's Abu Ghraib prison. This was typical of Botero using art for social commentary. Fernando Botero was born in 1932 in Medellin, Colombia. He painted in the neo-figurative style and called himself the most Colombian of Colombia artists. He largely painted large people figures that were much larger than life in all parts of their body. His critics after called them fat people. Botero did know the reason why he painted such obscene forms.